Artemis II mission. Artemis II is NASA's first crewed mission in the Artemis program and a critical step toward returning humans to the moon. The mission will conduct a lunar flyby, testing key spacecraft systems with a human crew on board, expected in November 2025. Launch Vehicle, Space Launch System, SLS. The most powerful rocket ever built by NASA. Orion spacecraft, designed for deep space missions. Reed Wiseman, Commander. Victor Glover, pilot, first person of color on a lunar mission. Christina Hammock-Koch, mission specialist, first woman on a lunar mission. Jeremy Hansen, mission specialist from the Canadian Space Agency, making it a global collaboration. The Space Launch System will launch from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The crew will enter Earth orbit for system checks and spacecraft alignment. Orion will fire its engines to propel the spacecraft toward the moon. The spacecraft will perform a free return trajectory, looping around the far side of the moon, approximately 7,400 kilometers, 4,600 miles from the lunar surface. The spacecraft will re-enter Earth's atmosphere and splash down in the Pacific Ocean. The mission duration is expected to be 10 days. Mission goals: verify life support, navigation, and communication systems with humans on board. Assess Orion's ability to navigate beyond low Earth orbit. Practice operations in deep space to prepare for future lunar surface missions. Strengthen international collaboration with the inclusion of Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen. First crewed lunar flyby. Since Apollo, Artemis II marks the first time humans will travel near the moon since Apollo 17 in 1972. Foundation for Artemis III. The mission is a precursor to Artemis III, which aims to land astronauts on the moon's south pole. Lunar Gateway. Preparation provides critical data for the development of the Lunar Gateway, a planned space station orbiting the moon. Artemis II is not just a technical milestone, but also a symbol of global cooperation and renewed human exploration of deep space. It represents the next chapter in humanity's journey to the moon and beyond. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I need your support.